in this video we're going to talk about double and triple factorials. Okay, so we know that for normal factorials you have 5 factorial. Is to solve this, we would say equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, so this is ultimately equal to 120. Okay, so the rule that single factorial follows is n factorial. So you have n factorial, so n factorial will be equal to n times n minus 1 times open bracket n minus 2 times open bracket n minus 3 times, and then continues until you have times 2 times 1. Okay, so for the case of double factorial you have 5 factorial. So for the case of double factorial, it will be equal to 5 times 3 times 1. Okay, so we know that 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Okay, so for double factorials, it simply follows the rule of n times open bracket n minus 2. So you'll be reducing the term by 2 instead of 1. Okay, so times open bracket n minus 4 times open bracket n minus 6. Okay, on up till times 1. So this case is, there's no 2 here, this times 1. This times 1, on up times 1 here too. It's a mistake. Okay, so for triple factorial you have a term of 5, the triple factorial. So in the case of triple factorial, we'll be saying equal to 5 times 2 times 1. Okay, so this is ultimately equal to 10. So for the case of triple factorial, it's still the same idea. You'll be reducing it by 3 instead of by 2 now. Okay, so this should be n. So we have n triple factorial. So this should be n times n minus 3 times open bracket n minus 6 times open bracket n minus 9 times, and then until you get to times 1. Okay, so that's how to solve for double factorials and triple factorials. Okay, so thanks for watching the video.